So here we have x plus 5 divided by 3 is equals to 1 minus x. This is still a linear equation even though we have the fraction. So in order for us to deal with the fraction, we would multiply both sides by 3. So I would multiply the left side by 3, and notice I'm using brackets. And on the right side, I'll also multiply by 3. So what I'm doing is I'm multiplying the left and the right side by the denominator. So on the left, the 3's will cancel out. So I'm left with x plus 5, and that is equals to 3 times 1 minus x. Notice that I'm using brackets because I need to multiply everything with 3. So we have x plus 5 on the left. We cannot add anything together because these two terms are not like terms. But on the right hand side, I can multiply 3 with 1, and that is equals to 3. And I can multiply 3 with negative x, and that will be negative 3x. And as in our previous example, we'll move all the x's to the left and all the constant values to the right. So if I move 3x over, it will become plus 3x on the left. And if I move plus 5 over, it becomes negative 5 on the right. So on the left, I have x plus 3x. And if I add those together, that will be 4x. And on the right, I have 3 minus 5, and that is equals to negative 2. Now, to find x alone, I divide both sides by 4. On the left, the 4's will cancel out, so I'm left with x. And on the right, negative 2 divided by 4 is equals to negative a half.